Why are you roaming on the road when it is time to go to school?
We don't have money to go to school and to buy books and notebooks.
Wait, we will provide you some books and notebooks.
But we don't know how to read and write.
Don't worry, we will come with our friends and teach you how to read and write.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, friends.
Good morning, sir.
Voice.
Yes, sir. I came on the behalf of our class, and I just want to say that for the past few days, our students have been collecting some money to donate to your organization to promote literacy drive, sir. So, on behalf of our class, I would like you to have this. Please accept.
Thank you, boys, for your great contribution. You are doing a great job. Keep it up.
The one who is promoting literacy should be helpful, and the one who is illiterate should be hardworking to gain knowledge and become literate. This way, we can also be a part of the literacy drive.